disciplinary issues that we see within the players,
Yeah.
it tells you a lot without even saying anything. Wabona. Still, it's showing you what there are issues between players and management.
And management.
Exactly.
That are not ironed out.
Exactly. It tells you, you said players are they happy?
Mm.
It tells you players are not happy.
And another thing, when you hear statements like Kaizer Chiefs is not what do they say? They are not hired. It's their
family thing.
You know, it should tell you something about the management. Unfortunately,
then they fire Coach Nabi.
Yeah,
they're not telling us what happened, but there were rumors all over the place, right?
Yeah.
And then after firing Coach Nabi, you're saying these two guys must be in charge. Based on what?
2 games.
Based on 2 games, Coach Nabi was away to see his wife, and then now these guys are actually good for Kaizer Chiefs now.
And he was aware of everything that they were doing.
They were even saying it, that Coach Nabi is aware of the starting lineup. So because of pressure from the fans, from the media, Kaizer Chiefs is like they are managing the team based of noise. It's like management doesn't have a plan. It's either it's a short one or it's a long-term one. What do they want to achieve?
Could it be Vele? I know it's a football band. Could it be, but if you think about it, could it be Wout Vele, the coaches were translators, to be honest? Maybe the second assistant, the one who's lighter, is assistant.
Yes.
But the other one, could it be that he came here as a translator? One of them. To be honest with you, if you're a translator, I'll make an example with court. We have a lot of people who come from other countries in this country, you know, and they are translators. You cannot find a translator being an attorney. It won't happen, you know. He will remain a translator.
Okay, wait. So because now with CAF there's rules of you must have a certain license for you to sit in the bench, and these guys have been sitting in Kaizer Chiefs games. CAF, fair enough, right?
You answering.
Yeah. So I do believe they are qualified, but are they qualified enough to coach a team like Kaizer Chiefs?
That's a question.
Yes. So if Kaizer Chiefs had a project or plan with Nabi, I don't think they will easily dismiss Nabi Kanje, and without actually telling us what happened.
Yeah.
And then the quickest solution they have, it's a quick fix which is not working, is to get these 2 guys to replace Unabi.